Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening to me from. This is Dibia Wangu Chendo. Greetings, greetings to you all. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can as well share, all right, so that people will get to learn more things about Ordinary Igbo spirituality. I am also a herbalist gifted in herbs. So today there is something I want to share with everybody about henna. We also call it Hernia. Some will say henna. So it depends on how you pronounce it. So a henna happens when an internal organ pushes through a weak spot in your muscle or tissues. And remember that there are types of henna. All right, there are types of henna: umbilical hernia, testicular hernia, herniated disc, inguinal hernia, strangulated hernia, herniated disc. I think I've mentioned it before. So to treat a hernia, which is a soft tumor formed by an organ or part of an organ coming out of the cavity, which normally contains it by a natural or accidental orifice. 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 Stomach ache, bubbling or whistling in the lower abdomen. Sometimes it gets swollen. All right, it causes you stomach disorder that you become restless, you feel the pain. So how are you going to treat this herbally in the herbal way? You have to get this item. Please get this item. Let me list out the ingredients for you. You have a handful of pawpaw leaves, 2 fresh ginger, which you are going to cut into small pieces, a handful of cloves. Get a handful. A handful is like this. Watch my hand. Make sure. All right. Handful of cloves, a dozen of garlic. Garlic, you can get garlic up to 4 bulbs. If they are big, get the 4 bulbs. All right. If they are those small garlic, you get 6 bulbs of it. Especially I like using the small garlic because they are more organic and natural. The big garlic, I'm not so confident of it because most times after cutting it up, it doesn't give out that that allium that we are looking for. So how do you prepare this? You have to wash all these ingredients, please. Cleanliness is next to godliness. You have to wash it. All right, when you wash it, you keep them aside. Then you bring your pot. Make sure the pot is very clean. Put about half a liter of water in that clean pot. Then you put these ingredients right inside the pot. If you like, you can cut up the pawpaw leaves, because assuming the leaves are widespread, you need to cut them. Cut the garlic, the ginger into tiny pieces. Cut your garlic. Some would like to put everything, including the flesh of that garlic. All right. The clove, you can pound it a little bit. Then you pour it. Then you boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you bring it down. Allow it to cool slightly. So you get a glass on an empty stomach in the morning and evening. You take a glass of it. All right, for a month. If you are suffering from hernia or hernia, all right, you will see the spelling when I upload the video. Okay, so while you are taking this treatment, use it on empty stomach. 1 hour after drinking it, then you can eat. Are you listening? So avoid lifting heavy objects during the period of this treatment. All right, do not lift heavy objects during the period of this treatment. That is it. So I hope that you watch the video responsibly, slowly. You get the things I have said, because most times I discover that people are in a hurry to get information. They don't cool down to assimilate the message. There are some questions that you asked me here on YouTube that already the answers are found in the video. Only pay attention. Thank you, and I hope you practice this safely. It is tested, trusted, and confirmed, except you don't have hernia. But once you have hernia, no matter the type, you detect it early. This natural herbal treatment will work for you. Then also take note that you should avoid eating meat, all right, red oil, and okra soup during this treatment. Take note, avoid eating meat, cooking with red oil, anything that has red oil in it, don't avoid it. Then okra soup, you avoid eating them. These three things I mentioned during this treatment for fast and efficacious cure. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, share my YouTube videos. Thank you once again.